She is a truly remarkable person with many talents and accomplishments. The beauty of the landscape was truly breathtaking. The performance was truly unforgettable and left a lasting impression. His kindness and generosity are truly unparalleled. The food at the restaurant was truly delicious and exceeded all expectations. The company's commitment to sustainability is truly admirable. The success of the project is truly a testament to the hard work and dedication of the team. The new technology is truly revolutionary and will change the way we do things. The impact of the program on the community has been truly transformative. The support and encouragement from her family has been truly invaluable. The love and bond between the two is truly special and rare. The solution to the problem was truly simple and obvious once it was pointed out. The beauty of the artwork is truly captivating and inspiring. The success of the company is truly well-deserved and a result of their hard work and determination. The friendship between the two is truly genuine and has stood the test of time. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.